Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart here, S&P 500 E-mini futures, and we talked yesterday about the bears needing to step in. They needed to step in. At that point, we had already shown some resistance up at the 9-day simple moving average. We talked about that, and functionally, what happened yesterday was we had some rallies. Every single one was sold. We got into the Asian session last night, and they just started cracking the market big time. We had a bigger flush into the Europe Open, took it down to 29.25. They rallied it from there up into the 42 area. And what we're doing now is we're currently trying to go back up to test that area. I've got resistance up at 44. We had the breakdown into it down from the 29s happened from the 46 area. So, 42 to 46 is going to, kind of tell the story with respect to this, particular bounce off the lows. But the bottom line is the bears stepped in when they needed to. They asserted themselves, and they did a lower low. And in doing so, you can say bye-bye to the August lows at 1831. So what's next from here? We are, with respect to the 45-day pivot, we have hit, people talk about my crazy town level, which is, 92 handles above or below the 45-day pivot. There's a level that we've called bet the house. That's hit twice in 3 days. That hit down in the 49 area last week for a nice bounce, and it hit down in the 29 area today for a nice bounce. So, but those are just bounce levels. They're not support levels. So what I've got to see in the regular session, I'm flat. What I want to see is an ability to for the bears to continue to hold this down, or do we start creating some higher lows, maybe go back up and retest the 9-day simple moving average? Do we re-engage the lower band? There are really no easy answers this morning except for this. We've made a lower low. The bears are in control of the tape, and all rallies must be sold. Got to sell rallies. So as long as you're focused on the rally sells, everything else will take care of itself. We've always said you can be long, but you have to be long with an eye on the exit door. And I think this really stresses it. Every single rally has been, for 2016, has been knocked down. Unless you got long at 4 o'clock in the morning, if you got long during calendar year 2016, you're red. You are red. And we haven't been able to say that for a long time. But I say that just to underscore that we're in a rally sell environment. Okay? All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast.